Your photo. General suggestions for both men and women. Your photo on your internet profile has a critical importance. People watch it first. This is why your potential partner will go any further or not. As a consequence, you have to realize that you must choose it with care. First, put a photo of yourself on your profile page. Some people don't put a photo. How can you seduce someone if you don't put your photo? I tell you. Some people might think bad things about you. For instance, that you're lacking self-confidence, that you have something to hide. Maybe you have got a big nose, awful teeth, maybe you're ugly, or even some people might think that you're a psychopath. A psychopath. You must realize something. A good photo is an icebreaker. It is the first impression that you give. It is the most apparent part of your personality. It can be your best asset, physically as well as socially. Here are a few general suggestions. For a good photo, take care of your clothing fashions. Clothing fashion. Don't appear like someone who has spent 3 hours in the bathroom before taking the photo. Don't try to appear in your Sunday best. If you're not used to wear a tie, don't wear a tie. Don't appear, as we say in English, dressed up. Dressed up. Be natural. Be visible on your photo so that people can see you well. A good idea is to put your face and your torso, and that's all. If you are with friends, which means that you are a social person, try to be in the center of the photo. But it's best when there is no mistake to be made concerning the right person on the photo. You can have been made by a professional photographer. In France, it will cost around 5 to 10 euros. Otherwise, a friend of yours with some taste will do something good looking with a numeric camera. For instance, my cover photo and my profile photo on Facebook have been taken by a friend of mine with a good camera. These pictures have attracted to my Facebook profile hundreds of persons. I couldn't believe it at the beginning. Tell yourself, what are my assets for my photo? The one assets I want to show, the one assets I want to let people imagine, let people guess how they are. For instance, if your right profile is better than your left profile, and then show your right profile, you can show yourself to advantage. It's perfectly admitted. You're not here to shoot yourself a bullet into the foot, you see. Ask your friends or relatives to have an objective feedback. The clearer, the less blurred the photo on your profile, the best. You can also choose a picture of yours practicing a hobby or a sport. For instance, if you're a DIY man, do-it-yourself man, you can show a picture of you doing DIY. Or for instance, if you practice surf, judo, or guitar, you can put a photo of yours practicing your sport. This way, people will see you in action, and it will arise topics of discussion. The more uncommon the photo, the more impact on the visitors of your profile. But take care to have a good taste for your photo. Don't put something vulgar. Your photo must really give people the desire to meet you in person. The desire to meet you in person. These are a few general suggestions. See you right away with some more detailed tips for both men and women in the two next videos.